On today, you guys. So today I want to do a little comparison between the KRK Rokit studio monitors and the Pioneer DM studio monitors. These are both really wonderful studio monitors. They have a pretty wide range of choices, and a lot of which fall under the few $100 range, making them extremely budget friendly, perfect for those who are starting out in the world of producing, mixing, or mastering, or for those who just want a pair of cheaper monitors that they can maybe take with them on the go, or have in their home studio. So yeah, they're both wonderful companies, really well known, and I want to kind of go through a little bit of a comparison between them so that you can make the best buying decision for yourself. For those of you guys who don't know KRK, KRK began manufacturing studio monitors back in about 2003 with the Generation 1 studio monitors. We are currently in the year 2020, and you are looking at the KRK Rokit G4 8s. The G4, of course, stands for Generation 4, and the 8 on this one stands for the 8-inch low-frequency driver. These are really wonderful. They sit in the middle of the range for KRKs, and I highly recommend them for all kinds of producers and mix engineers. On the other hand, Pioneer. And Pioneer's been around for quite some time. They're really well known for all different kinds of sound systems, both professional and consumer level sound systems. And the DM series just so happens to be one of at least in my opinion, the top studio monitors that are in their budget line. And they really match up well when you put them side by side with the KRKs. The Pioneer, just like the KRK systems monitors, are really punchy. They're active powered studio monitors, and they're just surprisingly good when you look, when you consider the fact that Pioneer is really a DJ company. They make really wonderful wide frequency range monitors, which is pretty impressive. They do have some of the main differences between them are KRK systems. They use a Kevlar woofer, which is really important. That's how they get their kind of low, tight sound that you're familiar with the new KRKs. And Pioneers use the fiberglass woofers. It definitely has that same punch, but to me, it's not as tight as the KRK systems monitors. One thing that they're both really similar. One thing that they share similarity in is they both have front-firing bass ports. Cool thing about this is that you can put them back up against a wall, and you're not going to get a lot of that bass energy build up in the back. That is really important, especially if you're working in like an untreated environment or an environment where you need to push your monitors back up against a wall. Of course, you do have to watch out because you may get an exaggerated bass response, but if you set up your room correctly, you should be good to go. I'd say overall, the DM40s are really nice, simple. They're a quality pair of near-field monitors that really come at just an awesome price point. If you're someone who is into the Pioneer scene, into DJing, and you want something that kind of like just fits with all your gear, I would say go for the Pioneer studio monitors. They're wonderful. I know not a lot of people talk about them, but they're great monitors, and they match up well against the KRK systems one. They may not be as versatile, especially when you look at the back, and especially when you look at the fact that KRK systems now has the DSP-driven EQ on the back and the fine-tuning room app, they're really great, and KRK systems are wonderful too, and I would highly recommend these for anyone who is maybe more in the market for something that's professional and versatile that can be used throughout an entire range of music. So yeah, that's pretty much it, my little comparison between the KRK Rokits and the Pioneer DM series. If you guys have any questions, comments, or insights, please feel free to leave them in the comments, and thank you. All right, later.